I guess, an intro. I think I'm gonna do that too, like an intro. Okay. So what do you want? What do you want to do? Why are these prints be messing up the? Okay. Can you see us? Are you ready? If you you ain't got no money, take your broke home. I said if you ain't, I am home.
Yeah.
That's messed up. That's messed up. Dang, that's messed up. What does it say?
What could Owl be saying?
What could Pooh be saying?
Yeah. And then, not this page. This page says hidden pictures. Circle the hidden bumblebees. How many?
How many? So there's 1. I think there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh.
You see one more?
I don't see one more. No.
I think it's 6.
Wait, did I say that one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think it's 6.
Okay. Do they have the answer? No. Part of the reason why I end the video because she never does. And we've been going on for literally like 55 minutes.
Okay, my bad. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Sharing is caring. And we will see you guys next time.
That is rude.
What?
Because you always get mad when I say don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I say sharing is caring.
Okay. See, when we reverse it, somebody has a problem.
You!
Because I'm getting ready to say it because you're still talking, and then you say it, and then it makes me mad. And then you're like, well, we can re-say it. No, I don't want to re-say it.
Okay, you don't have to re-say it because you was yelling. That's not nice. You want to color?
I don't want to color. No, I just told you what I wanted to remake. You was like, oh, okay. And then continue to color.
What? I don't even know what. Wait, pause. What do you want to remake?
I just said I want to make a new shaky.
Oh, yeah. I said, yeah, that'll be fun. We can actually do that as a video.